Hello everyone, this is Jay Prakash. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Big Data Hands-on Training. So today we are not going to do much hands-on because I'm going to give a little bit overview about Apache Pig. So what is Apache Pig? Apache Pig is an abstraction over MapReduce. So it is one of a Hadoop ecosystem tool or platform which is used to analyze large set of data representing them as data flows. So Pig is generally used with Hadoop. We can perform all the data manipulation operations in Hadoop using Apache Pig. And to write data analysis programs, this Pig provides high-level language known as Pig Latin. This language provides various operators using which programmers can develop their own functions for reading, writing, and processing data. And to analyze data using Apache Pig, the programmers need to write scripts using Pig Latin language. All the scripts are internally converted to map and reduce tasks. Apache Pig has a component known as Pig Engine that accepts the Pig Latin scripts as input and convert those scripts into MapReduce jobs. So why do we need Apache Pig? Because we do have MapReduce in Java, so why do we need? So the programmers who are not so good at Java normally used to struggle working with Hadoop. Especially while performing any MapReduce task, Apache Pig is a boon for all such programmers. They don't need to worry about Java anymore. So using Pig Latin, programmers can perform MapReduce tasks easily without having to type complex code in Java. Apache Pig uses multi-query approach, so thereby reducing the length of codes. For example, an operation that would require you to type 200 lines of code in Java can easily be done by typing as less as just 15 or 20 lines of code in Apache Pig. Ultimately, Apache Pig reduces the development time almost 15 to 20 times. And Pig Latin is a SQL-like language, and it is easy to learn Apache Pig when you are really familiar with SQL. That is fantastic. So Apache Pig provides many built-in operators to support data operations like joins, filters, ordering, etc. In addition, it also provides nested data types like tuples, bags, and maps that are missing from MapReduce. So what are all the features of this Pig? So rich set of operators. It has many operators to perform operations like join, sort, filter, etc. Ease of programming. So Pig Latin is similar to SQL, and it is very easy to write a Pig script if you are really good at SQL. Optimization opportunities. The task in Apache Pig optimize their execution automatically, so the programmers need to focus only on semantics of the language. And UDF, so Pig provides a facility to create user-defined functions in other programming languages such as Python or even Java. And Pig handles almost a variety of data, so it analyzes all kinds of data, both structured and also unstructured. We'll be seeing everything using hands-on. So let's see what is the basic difference between your Apache Pig and MapReduce. So let us take an Excel sheet and have a kind of a comparison between Apache Pig and Apache MapReduce. So let us assume this is Apache Pig and this is MapReduce. So Apache Pig, it's a data flow language, and MapReduce is a data processing framework. So it's a high-level language. MapReduce is a low-level language. Oops. So performing join other complicated operations is easier. Quite tough using join. Easy to learn and work. Difficult to learn and work because Java skills required. So these are all the pretty much basic difference which I could remember right now. So let's see what is the difference between Pig and SQL. Pig is a procedural language and SQL is a declarative language. So schema is optional, schema is mandatory. So it has limited opportunity for query optimization. It has more opportunity. So these are all the basic difference between Pig and SQL. So Pig is not even an SQL, and also it is not a low-level programming language. So it is somewhere in the middle, and it is a data flow language. So pretty much, and let's see what are the applications of Apache Pig. So Pig is applications used by data scientists for data analysis from weblogs. So it has some rich API support with Python and Java, so that you can use regular expressions using Python and do a lot of web analytics, weblog analytics. So that's something pretty much good with Pig. And it can do time sensitive data loads. So it internally executes your job, and if you execute a Pig, it is going to execute your MapReduce internally. So it is going to leverage the power of MapReduce algorithm. So heavy data loads can be split into key value pairs, and everything can operate in parallel, and so that's what your capability of your Pig. So these are all the pretty much basics which we need to do, but we to know at a very high level. So from next class we are going to see all these syntaxes. So writing something, executing a Pig script, and I do have all these hands-on sessions planned for Pig. So each session I'll try to cover one case, and let's move on. So let's move on to our how to invoke our Pig. So this is your terminal, and just type Pig, hit enter. So it will get into a shell called grunt. So this is your grunt shell, and this is where you can execute your Pig inline commands, and also you can save your Pig in any kind of text file or notepad, and you can keep it in your Linux file system, and it has to be saved with .pig extension, and it can be always executed like a Pig with whatever the mode you want. There is a local mode, and there is MapReduce mode, and even there are some other recent developments called TEZ modes. So all these modes we can see one by one later in the next classes. So this is for it today, and if you like my video, please like, share to your friends, and most importantly subscribe. And thank you so much.